Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cooler conditions out there this morning. We'll see temperatures moderate for the afternoon hours into the mid-50s, and we'll see temperatures actually rise during the evening. So we have an area of low pressure moving through today. That'll provide us with good chances of rainfall for this afternoon into the evening hours, and even a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have an area of low pressure that's currently across the Carolinas, as well as additional area of low pressure over the Ohio Valley. It's going to be merging over our region this afternoon into the evening hours and providing us with those rain showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Taking a look at our current observation, we have a few clouds at 3,500, scattered deck at 8,500, broken deck at 10,000, overcast deck at 18,000 feet. Winds out of the north-northwest at 6 knots, temperature 35 degrees, and relative humidity at 88%. So taking a look at our current radar imagery, across the region, see some rainfall across the Carolinas. It's moving towards our region, and it's going to be providing us with those rain showers for this afternoon, and a good chance after we move after the afternoon hours. Looking at our 3-kilometer NAM model and the derived reflectivity as well as precipitate, you can see here about noontime we have that rain shower activity moving through the region and into the area. You can see the rain-snow line being west of D.C. and Baltimore, as most of those locations will see primarily a mixed precipitation event or a rainfall event. Across our area, we'll be in the warm sector of the area low pressure as it tracks over the Delmarva Peninsula. And for this evening, here is 7 o'clock this evening, see some higher DBZs across the region. Can't rule out some lightning within 10 miles, as we do have those warmer ocean waters as well as some elevated instability. So cannot rule out that isolated thunderstorm across the region. We'll move into the evening hours and late evening hours. You can see that some wraparound moisture tries to get in here between about 8 p.m. and midnight, but otherwise should see dry conditions after the heavier rainfall moves through with the area low pressure. And by tomorrow morning, just going to see some mostly cloudy to partly cloudy conditions and breezy conditions as well. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have that likely condition of rainfall from about noon to 8 p.m. or 20 local. We'll have those winds picking up this afternoon with a wind advisory likely after about 1600 local until later on into the day on Thursday. We'll see those winds gusting at 35 knots, possible out of the southeast as the area low pressure moves through for the evening hours, so possibly seeing some wind gust near 40 miles an hour. Our wind direction today will be coming easterly and then southeasterly, as I mentioned, then back to the northwest overnight, and seeing those winds continue to be gusty near 30 knots during the overnight hours. We'll see that 20% chance of a thunderstorm from 1700 to 1900 local this evening with that area of low pressure moving through. And we'll also see that chance of some heavy rainfall moving through with that area low pressure very close to us. So our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to see some low-level cloud cover moving in here, especially afternoon with that rainfall. Seeing ceilings around 1,000 feet, chance we see a ceiling below 1,000 feet at 500 feet. And that'll last till about 20 local this evening, and we'll continue to see some lower-level cloud cover in here till about midnight with a slight chance of a rain shower. As I mentioned, a 20% chance of a thunderstorm from 1,700 to 1,900 local this evening, and a chance of some heavy rainfall from 1,600 local to 20 local. By tomorrow morning, we should just see anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy conditions, and we do see a ceiling that would be around 1,500 to 2,000 feet tomorrow morning. Our tides are 1 foot above normal, and looking at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, mostly to partly cloudy and breezy early, a high of 44. We see those winds around 25 knots during the morning hours on Thursday. Thursday night, partly to mostly cloudy and cold, low of 31. And for Friday, mostly cloudy and chilly, a high of 42 degrees. Can't rule out a brief sprinkle or flurry Friday morning with an upper level disturbance moving through, but overall, very slight chances of that occurring, and didn't highlight it here on the risk chart. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back at 10 a.m. to look at the next 7 days.